In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote Clickbank products with Pinterest ads. Now, I firmly believe that Pinterest is still a great opportunity to make passive income with affiliate marketing. I think that Pinterest isn't talked about enough. A ton of people are on there every single month, and they usually have actually higher income than some of the other social media sites. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to start getting leads and sales fast with Pinterest and Clickbank. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and now I want to help you. All right, so in this video, we're going to go step by step, bullet by bullet, to show you how you can start promoting Clickbank products with Pinterest. So the first thing that we need to do, and you need to keep this in mind before we get started, is Pinterest is a female or woman dominated platform. It's not like some of the other social media sites where it's 50-50 or maybe even 60-40 men. Pinterest is dominated by women. And the other thing that you want to make sure that you're aware of is Pinterest is a little bit more critical when it comes to where you're sending your traffic. Sometimes they will disapprove your ads if they feel like your landing page isn't quality. So what I recommend that you do is actually send them over to a listicle type website. Now, I actually stole this from John Crestani on one of his videos about a year ago. I downloaded this into ClickFunnels, and basically what you'd want to do is just make a few changes and add in your affiliate links, and you can start generating leads and sales. Now, I will leave a link to this. Again, I got this from John Crestani. I'm not, super hacking, stealing, whatever it is. I'm giving credit where credit is due. But you can go through, find where your links need to go, add your links. They can be to any affiliate product in Clickbank or anywhere really, and you can start potentially making leads and sales. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump over to Pinterest and I can show you step by step how to get started, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So we're over on Pinterest here and we need to go over to ads, and we're going to simply create an ad. And what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we are using consideration because we want to drive traffic to our website. And it's actually that listicle landing page. And we can give it a name. We'll say, we'll call this traffic to offer. We're going to scroll down here. Active, we're going to leave that as is, skip past. And then we can do a daily budget of, let's say, $5 per day just to get a start. And then I personally recommend that you always have a start and end date for your ad so that you're not just spending money and you don't know where it's going. So personally, I like to run ads for 10 days just to see what's happening. So we're just going to run this through the end of the month. And we want to start it on Sunday, the 21st. If we scroll down here, we're just going to click on continue. And then we're going to skip past some of this here. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to target new customers. We're going to click on select. So the first step is to find new customers. Next, we want to go down and we want to go down to keywords and interests because we don't have a targeted list. So we're going to click on that. And what you can do, and there's two ways to do it, is you can search or you can try and manually go through. I recommend that you change this to add keywords and then you can just type in. So for this offer, we are looking for, let's say, affiliate marketing. And then we can add all of these. We can say online business. Then we can add all of these. We can say make money online. We can say passive income. And then we can add all of these. So this is a good place to start. Our audience potentially is up to 941,000 people. That's a pretty good amount. Next, we want to go down to the demographics. So we can leave it at all genders if we want. We can pick an age range if we want. I like to change the location. And then again, we want to target the English speaking location. So we can go to Australia. We can target the United States. We can target, let's see, New Zealand. And I think 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing one. We need to target Australia, Canada. There we go. That's the missing link. So we have our 5 targets. As you can see, it's 1.1 to 1.21 million with regard to the audience. Scroll down. We're going to change this to English or whatever your preferred language is. Now you want to select the language that your target audience is speaking. Next, we can do devices. We can leave that as is. This is fine. Ad placement, we can leave that as is. And then we can get to the fun part, which is ads. Now, the best type of ads are ads that stick out in the crowd. If you look at Pinterest, and I'm just going to go over to Pinterest to give you an idea of what you should be looking for of ads that are going to stick out. If we go over to, let's say, affiliate marketing, click on affiliate marketing. All right, so if I type in affiliate marketing for beginners or online business, as you can see, this is a wall of white and, one other color. This, in my opinion, fades into the background, and it looks even more so when you're on mobile. But the one thing that's sticking out amongst everything else is over here on the left-hand corner. My eye keeps getting drawn over to the left side because it has an image that sticks out. What I recommend is that you do a video pin or at least a pin with a GIF so that you stick out amongst the crowd, because it's very easy for all of this just to bleed in. And as you can see, again, the thing that sticks out, and Lead Pages is doing this, is they have a little bit of motion. I'd recommend, if I were Lead Pages, to have your pins more of the vertical like the other ones out here, but that's beside the point. What I recommend that you do is, as you can see, is make your pins look the exact opposite. Again, this pin over here, promoted by Constant Contact, is blue against everything that's white. Now, the cool thing with Pinterest, and the reason why I like Pinterest so much, is it's very difficult to tell what's an ad and what isn't an ad. For example, because the Constant Contact stood out to me, I noticed it. But if you're just scrolling through, you don't know that you're clicking on an ad or that you're running an ad unless you look at the bottom of each individual pin where it says promoted by. And the other interesting thing too is that when you click on this link, it will take you directly to your offer. For example, promoted by passive income for, I'm not sure what that name is, but when I click on this, this takes me directly over to the affiliate offer. Unlike some of the other programs out there, you've got to be taken to a landing page and some of the other issues. When you click on a promoted pin, when they click on your ad, takes them right over to wherever you want them to go. So the cool thing with Pinterest is you don't really know that you're clicking on an ad unless you're looking super close for promoted by. That's one giveaway. And if you see the same pin happening multiple times. These other pins, just to compare, this is a promoted ad, so it took us right over to the affiliate offer, or the product that they're promoting. The ad next to it, when you click on it, it goes to a close-up. And so someone would have to take an additional step, like clicking on mylifesmanual.com, before they get over to the blog or whatever it is that you're promoting. So that's another benefit. You go directly over to wherever you're promoting. For example, let me just go back here. When I clicked on 3 essential tools for veterans, it took me right over to this blog post where they're making money with ads and potentially making money with affiliate offers. You see there's ClickFunnels right here. They're doing exactly what we're talking about. They're an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and Bluehost. These links show you that this is working and people are doing this, and Get Response and some other programs. So you can definitely do this too, and you can use this listicle that I showed you. You could put in, let me scroll down here and find one. You could put in affiliate links sprinkled in. As you can see, it says, learn how to start an online business with this free training today. That could be an affiliate link to a product that you find over on Clickbank. So let me show you how to find a product quickly. So we're in Clickbank, and what we'd want to do is go down to e-business and e-marketing, click on affiliate marketing, and then sort by gravity. Gravity is telling you that affiliates are having success promoting these products, so you want to take advantage of that as well. What you can do is you can click on promote, and then add in a tracking ID, which would be like Pinterest, pin ads will say. Click on generate hop link. We're going to copy that, and then we would jump over to ClickFunnels here, click on edit page. Now this is the page that I'm giving you for free, and then you would just paste in your affiliate ID. And I'd recommend that you have your affiliate ID in a few different places just so that you give yourself the best chance for success. So right here it says watch the free training. That could be a link to the 12-minute affiliate system. I mean, or you could even pay someone over on Fiverr, or Upwork, or iWriter to write for you for these other niches. For example, we know that Pinterest is a female-dominated niche. You could actually go over to parenting and families, and then you could go to sort by gravity again, and then you could say baby sleep miracle, and you could create an ad that way, hire someone on iWriter to write you a 1,200 word blog post and add in your affiliate links there. Now let's jump over to Pinterest and creating an ad. The cool thing is you can create an ad for free. And I recommend that you create multiple ads, but let me show you how to create one. So we're going to go over to canva.com. Canva.com is a free graphic design website that you can use. We are going to type in Pinterest. So Pinterest pin already has the correct dimensions for us. And the next step is to, we can create a blank pin, or we can use one that's already pre-made. In fact, this pin over here is a Pinterest pin that's just changed. Like this 3 essential tools for veterans, that's a Pinterest pin that's pre-made. They just changed the one number. So this is that right there. They literally changed one number. Now here's how you can stand out from the crowd with this. Click on animate and click on rise. And that automatically makes your Pinterest pin a video pin. And what you can do is you can increase the time. We'll click done, and then you can click play to share exactly what's happening. What you can do is you can go through and you can add in more images and stuff like that. For example, let's find an arrow. I'm just going to add arrow. Actually, I need to go down to elements, and then let's see, let's type in arrow. Type in arrow. We'll use this free one here. And then, let's rotate this, and then we can move it like that. And then when we click play, you can see it stands out in the crowd. So there's tons of opportunity. What I'd recommend is you take the additional step and make a little bit of changes, because as you can see, this is the exact pin. This person is paying for this exact Pinterest pin that is, this person literally changed 1 or 2 things, and she could have taken an extra step and made it a video pin. So when you get done with that, go over to this download button, download it as an MP4, or you can download it as a GIF. That actually might be a little bit better. So I'm going to download that and I'll show you what that looks like. And once you do that, while that's working in the background, you want to go and upload your Pinterest pin. And to do that, you click on this plus sign here. And let me just see, are we working yet? All right, so that's taken a little while. What you'd want to do is click on create pin. We're going to drag and drop that pin once it downloads. We're going to drag and drop that right over here. It's going to upload as a GIF or a video. You're going to add a title. We're going to say, we'll say 7 ways to make money from home. And it looks like that has downloaded. So we're going to open that up. And the next step is to find it. Go to downloads here. And here's our GIF. We're going to drag and drop that there. As you can see, it looks great. And then the next thing is to add in our link here. We're going to grab our link from ClickFunnels. We're just going to copy this right here, copy that. Now, I will say the only difference is when you are doing a GIF, as you can see, it rotates. And what we should probably do is we should probably change the length of time that GIF works. Change it to every like 8 seconds, or maybe even less, maybe 2 or 3, so that it continuously pops. When you do a video will have tags that you have to that are hard coded and you have to enter in. GIFs, you just have to do a little bit of SEO. So you could say, check out this article to learn how to learn 7 tips to make money from home with no money down, or something along those lines. But that's really it. Go through, click publish. It'll take maybe 8 hours for someone to review it. If they approve it, your Pinterest pin will go live. If they reject it, they'll tell you why. They'll give you a very vague answer as to why it's not approved. And then you just try and make a few modifications. Usually it's going to be something with your landing page. But I have had pretty good success promoting different products with paid ads, ebooks. Not to get on a long diatribe here, but I actually direct linked to an affiliate product. It was an ebook, and I had some success there as well. So now that you know how to promote Clickbank products on Pinterest, I want you to click the first link in the description and watch a free training. That free training is going to show you step-by-step how you can start making passive income. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to watch that free training. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.